Imagine your house as a masterpiece painting, and your fence is the frame that holds and accentuates the beauty of that masterpiece. The fence, often overlooked, plays a significant role in enhancing the charm of your property. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the fence not only uplifts the overall aesthetic, but also adds to the value of your property. It's about preserving your fence's lifespan, maintaining the curb appeal of your home. Just like how a painting needs a clean frame, your home needs a clean fence. Cleaning a fence can seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, it can be as simple as ABC. Let's break down this process into manageable steps. First off, we start with the preparation stage. This includes gathering all the necessary cleaning materials. You'll need a bucket, a good quality scrub brush, a garden hose, and a cleaning solution. You can use a standard detergent or opt for a specialized fence cleaning solution available at your local hardware store. Don't forget to put on your gloves and goggles for safety. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Next, we move on to the actual cleaning stage. Start by wetting the fence with your garden hose. This helps to loosen the dirt and makes the cleaning process easier. Next, apply your cleaning solution generously to the fence. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to penetrate the dirt and grime. Now, it's time to get a little physical. Grab your scrub brush and start scrubbing away the dirt and grime. It's important to scrub in the direction of the wood grain to avoid damaging your fence. Remember, we're here to clean, not to destroy. Once you're satisfied that you've scrubbed off as much dirt as possible, rinse the fence thoroughly with your garden hose. Make sure to wash off all the cleaning solution to avoid leaving any residue. Finally, we reach the aftercare stage. Allow the fence to dry completely. This could take anywhere from a few hours to a whole day, depending on the weather. If you want to go the extra mile, you can apply a protective coating to your fence once it's dry. This not only prolongs the life of your fence but also enhances its appearance, giving it a fresh and new look. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to give your fence a new lease on life. Remember, a clean fence is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it also contributes to the longevity of your fence. So roll up your sleeves and let's get cleaning. So, we've journeyed through the importance and process of fence cleaning. Now let's circle back to the key points. We've underscored how fence cleaning enhances your home's appeal and extends its lifespan. We've walked you through the straightforward steps involved, showing that with the right approach and regular maintenance, this task is a breeze. Remember, a clean fence is not just about aesthetics, it's about taking pride in your home. So, roll up those sleeves and let's give that fence the care it deserves. Of course, while DIY fence cleaning is rewarding, some might prefer a professional touch. If that's you, consider Jabez Power Washing. Renowned for their high-quality service, they ensure your fence not only looks flawless, but also enjoys a longer lifespan. They're just a call away at 404-964-2243. So why not give your fence the professional care it deserves with Jabez Power Washing? Remember, a clean fence is a happy fence, and a happy fence makes a happy home.